Well, Grandma's going to start cleaning out this container. And as you can see, I do have a couple flowers in here. But Grandma wants to make sure when she has everything blooming beautifully, she has it all cleaned out and has her little fairy garden in there looking beautiful. Well, Grandma better get busy. See, I have some deadheading to do and some weeds to pull out. Oh yeah, Grandma's got a lot of weeds. Well, we're almost done cleaning this out. I still need to deadhead a lot of plants in here. Accidentally pulled out a few of the plants when I was pulling out all the weeds. But best of all, we have got it pretty well cleaned out. Well, this is how you build a fairy garden. And the container I've already had for years. I did add a little bit of fresh soil on top, maybe about 2 or 3 inches. Not a lot, but now the container is full and I'm going to get busy. Now this is going to be a zero cost. I have some plants in another area. I'm going to move over here and plant in this area. I've already been used in a past post, so it's not something that we bought for this post. So far we're at zero cost. These plants were already in here, and I'm going to clean a few more of them up, get some of these dead leaves out, and make it beautiful once again. Well, we still are not finished. Just sort of taking a picture of what it looks like right now. Believe it or not one of these plants is new. Every one of these plants I've had from the past. I don't know if everything is going to survive because I did pull a lot of weeds out of here and some of these plants were already in here. These I bought a while back and have been used in past posts, and so are these. And the lily, of course, reminds me of my granddaughter Lily Pod. That's what I call her. I had one of my friends said, "What a terrible name," and I told her I named her that. Stop it. She's my sweet little youngest granddaughter. Her name is really Lily. I don't know why. From the time she was a little tiny girl, I always called her Lily Pod. It was my nickname for her. And these I pulled out and transplanted. I don't know if they'll survive, but I thought they looked perfect in here. So let me know what you thought. I thought it looked pretty good. But we're not done. I'm going to still deadhead some plants and finish filling up this soil. I don't want to see soil here. And I'm still going to plant some poppy seeds in here, so this thing will always have something growing and it will look pretty for hopefully for some time. Well, Grandma's getting close, but we're still not done. Well, we're finally done. I thought it turned out pretty cute. This was a full free post. Everything I've had for quite some time or for years. All the plants were things I already had. And my little chickens who are probably about 3 or 4 years old. Mother leading the little chicks out for a little walk. And over here we have Mother Pig and the baby pig. They just got out of playing in the mud. That's why they look so dirty. But they had a good time together. These are cuttings I got from my own plants, and I thought they turned out pretty good. What do you think? All the other plants I've already had for quite some time or have been in past posts. The little garden shed, we probably have had that about 4 or 5 years. It's not new either. But I thought it turned out pretty good. And this little welcome windmill back here, I think I bought it a couple years ago at Dollar Tree for $1. You know, Grandma, I believe in reusing, repurposing as much as possible to keep our costs down. This is a free post. I was super happy how it turned out. Let me know what you thought. Did you think it turned out cute or not? This is how you put a free post together. You go shop those secondhand stores. You go out and shop and look and see if you can find pine cones on the ground, or go take some cuttings off your succulents. You can make something out of nothing if you look hard enough. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.